In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add admin on Facebook Messenger group. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. So I have here a group, and as you can see, if I open it and then go to members here, you can see the group has 3 members with 1 admin. The first one is admin. Now to add an admin, for instance, I want to add this contact as admin. It is pretty simple. Just go ahead and tap on the member. And then from this, you have an option to invite as admin. So if I go ahead and tap on this, and then we're told as a group admin, this person will be able to manage a group and remove members from the conversation. They'll also be able to remove other admins. So if you're okay with this, go ahead and tap on add. And now this person has become admin. Now if I go on admin tab, I can see a list of all admins on this Facebook Messenger group. So that's how you add admins on your Facebook Messenger group. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.